Hi and welcome to the ColorWorks How-To series. I'm Adam Samuel, Product Manager for Epson Colour Label Printers. In this short video, I will take you through the differences between the C3500 and the C4000 printer, so that you can help you or your customer make the right choice of printer. Let me show you the popular features these two printers share. Each one has a very small footprint, which is ideal for you or your customers or anyone with limited space. Both printers allow easy loading of media and share the same louver airflow system to make sure the media has the correct path through the printer. There are three areas in which they are different. Firstly, we have increased the ink capacity to 50 milliliters in the C4000. So when deciding or discussing print runs with your customers, they have greater choice as to which is the right fit. Secondly, the full color 2.5-inch LCD screen. As you can see, we have added the full color screen into the C4000 printer. All the features and benefits that were on the driver in the C3500 are now available via the screen as well. Thirdly, printing quality and color management. The C3500 was launched over 10 years ago and is still growing in strength. But we have realized in that time that new segments in the labeling market have been established which need higher quality printing and color management. So to address this, the C4000 includes 1200 by 1200 DPI and ICC profiling with spot color management. Let me show you the new features of the C4000. Epson has recognized that the world of printing labels has transformed over the recent years. So we now have included the capability to print wirelessly with the optional Wi-Fi dongle, the OTWL06. With the much wider use of tablets as the preferred printing method, we have launched a software development kit which allows the creation of printing apps both on iOS and Android. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.